If your phone isn't ringing when you receive calls, it can be frustrating and cause you to miss important calls. The issue could be due to various reasons, ranging from simple settings problems to hardware issues. Here's a simple and comprehensive guide to fixing the phone not ringing problem on your mobile device. First, check the volume settings on your phone. Sometimes the ringtone volume may have been turned down or muted accidentally. Go to your phone's settings or use the volume buttons on the side of your device to adjust the ringtone volume to an audible level.
Next, ensure that the phone is not set to silent or vibrate mode. Many phones have a silent mode toggle or a setting that allows you to enable or disable sound for incoming calls. Look for an icon in the status bar or use the settings menu to confirm your phone is in general or ringing mode. Verify that you have not accidentally enabled Do Not Disturb mode. This feature silences calls, alerts, and notifications unless exceptions are set. Go to your phone's settings and navigate to the Do Not Disturb section to ensure it's turned off or properly configured to allow calls. Check if a specific contact's ringtone is set to silent. Open the contact's profile in your phone book and verify the ringtone setting. Change it to the default ringtone or select an audible tone if it was previously set to silent. Test the phone's ringtone using the sound settings. Navigate to the sound settings menu and play the current ringtone. If you don't hear anything, try selecting a different ringtone. If the issue persists, there might be a problem with your phone's speaker. Clean the phone's speaker gently using a soft brush or compressed air. Dust or debris in the speaker grill can muffle or block sound. Be careful not to damage the speaker while cleaning.
If you are using Bluetooth devices, such as headphones or speakers, disconnect them and try receiving calls again. Sometimes, your phone routes the ringtone to the connected Bluetooth device instead of playing it through the phone's speaker. Restart your phone to resolve any temporary software glitches. A simple reboot can fix minor issues that might prevent your phone from ringing. Update your phone's software if an update is available. Outdated software can sometimes cause functionality issues. Go to your phone's settings and check for software updates. Reset app preferences if you've made any changes to system apps or permissions. This can be done from the settings menu, and it will reset all app settings to default without deleting any data. If none of these solutions work, test your phone in safe mode. Booting into safe mode disables third-party apps, helping you identify if an app is causing the problem. If your phone rings in safe mode, uninstall recently downloaded apps and test again. Contact your service provider if the issue persists. Sometimes, network-related issues might prevent calls from coming through properly. They can help troubleshoot and resolve any network problems. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on your phone. This will erase all data and settings, so back up your important files before proceeding. Navigate to the reset options in your phone's settings and choose the factory reset option. If the problem continues after a factory reset, it might be a hardware issue. Visit an authorized service center to have your phone inspected and repaired by a professional.